Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you like this look, then you're gonna love the video that I filmed to make it. And it was so much fun. I really had a lot of fun doing it. So keep an eye out for that. Also, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Missy. I'm gonna scoot to the side. My channel's all about bargain beauty deals and bargain deals in general and how I get them, how you can get them. And unconventional ways too, not ways, look at, I have glitter in my eyebrow, not ways different ways that you might not think of getting a deal. And so deals that I find I will share with you that aren't just beauty. For my subscribers, thank you guys for being here. You guys know how much I love you, and I'm so excited. I'm sorry I've been gone for a while, but my boys were sick, and then I had some depression, anxiety issues, and when that gets me down, then I'm just down and out, and it's hard for me to really do anything. So I come to you today to show you some very fun things. So hold on. So you guys know I love to show you when I get things. So I have told you guys about Tri-Spree and how I love to do it. And you know, I'd gotten some stuff from It Cosmetics and a couple other companies before, and I started to think, because I hadn't gotten anything in a long time, that maybe it was just a hoax, but I am so happy to say I got mail. So Clinique sent me, you've seen commercials for this. This is a little foil packy thingy of their custom blend hydration system. So that's one of the things I got off of Tri-Spree. I will leave a link in the description because I figured out how to do it. The other thing I got was, look at me throwing my mail, an emergency packet, emergency boost. So there was, we use emergency, there's a coupon in it too. Look at my excitement, you know me and my coupons. So we use emergency, cold and flu season all the time. So we got a strawberry pack, is that strawberry? Whoever, no, it's a raspberry. I was gonna say, we have used a strawberry, but raspberry pack, and then their new probiotics. So that's one thing we got. But that's not what I'm excited about, guys. I have a whole bag of deals right here. And I'm really excited about, but that's not what we're going to go over. That's not what we're doing right now. What we're doing right now is I found on clearance at Marshall an advent calendar. It was $3.50, Organic Beauty, Australia. There was one that was $3.50. I grabbed it. There was another one, $5. Didn't, because guess what? I'll take the torn up one for $3.50 and save $1.50, and you can have the one that's not, the box isn't torn, for $1.50 more. So we're going to open it because it's not Christmas time, and it's opening itself. That's how excited it is. So, my hair. Okay, so our first thing, day number 1, is Organic Botanic Pomegranate Face Scrub. Oh, is it going to be hard to get out? Wait, how do you get it out, guys? Guys! Okay, I got it. Oh, no. Okay, so it's a pomegranate face scrub. Let's open it up. It's got a little sealy seal. It smells like pomegranate. So, that's day number 1. Oh my god, I'm so excited, guys. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, day number 2. Oh, this part. We don't need that. Day number 2. How do we open it? Oh my gosh, it's so hard, guys. That's what she said. Sorry, not have said that. I'm sorry. Oh, what is it? Oh, what is it? Pull it out. Look at day number 2 is, I want an advent calendar for Christmas so bad, but I am not paying $50 for one. Sorry. Rosehip. It's rosehip and cockadoo. Did you think of cockapoo too? So it's rosehip and cockadoo face mist. Oh, it smells good. It smells like roses. It does not smell like cockapoo. So day number 3. You guys, I'm so excited for this. It's $3.50 for 12. It's a mess though. That's why. You can't get it out, guys. What are they doing to me? Like, how do we pick? You guys, this is ridiculous. This is a coconut sea salt face scrub. And I don't know how old these are, I'm gonna be honest, but so it feels like it's sealed though, so that's like, is that reassuring, or is it sealed because it's so old? Oh no, they're not old. Ooh, that smells good. You know what this reminds me, you know how, my eyes are watering so bad, you guys. But it reminds me of, there's a coconut and sea salt stuff at Dollar Tree right now. Wait, is this from that company? Organic Botanic? I thought that was Beautyganics or something. Anyways, day number 4. What if this is all face scrubs and mists? And then you guys will be getting them in giveaways. That's what it will be. Okay. Rose water face mist. And I'm going to go ahead and assume it smells like the rose hip cockapoo. Cockadoo. Next. And you know, I could just take this off, but that's like, oh, it's something new. That takes all the fun out of it. But what is it? But what is it? What is it? We'll come back to that one. Okay, day number 6. It's another one. Oh, day number 6 fell out, but it is another one. Where'd it go? Ah! It's another one. And I'm just gonna go ahead and peek on the... This video isn't going very well, is it? I'm gonna go ahead and peek on the back. Compressed. Oh, it's a compressed face mask. Directions: pour your favorite serum or toner into our compressed face mask pod. Allow mask to absorb the liquid and expand. Apply to face and leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Wait. Is it a sheet mask? Or does it turn into a serum? We're going to do this we're going to do this on here. Not now, because I look beautiful, but we are. Okay, look at what a mess this is. I'd kind of be sad if I actually got this for Christmas, is like doing like a thing with it, but I'm not. So I'm just annoyed about it. I'm not upset that it's not pretty. This is a rose and white tea face mask. So these were scrubs. I got 2, so far we have 2 face scrubs, 2 face mists, 2 face, what is it called these? Face masks. And this is another face mask in rose and white tea. So day number 8, I'm going to go ahead and guess that it's going to be another mist. And if you looked on the back, you probably know, but I'm trying not to look because I like surprises. I'm all about the surprise. Oh, it's not. Okay, this is a caramel swirl lip gloss. We're going to put it on right now. Deals. My bargain deals are in my way. Okay. Because this lipstick I have on is drying the heck out of my lips. It's a mattifying one. I'm just going to go ahead and Organic Botanic. Tell you it doesn't really taste like caramel. Kind of has more of a flory scent. It tastes like the floor. A floral. So that was day number 8. Day number 9 is good. This is really hard to open. I'm making the ugliest faces. This box is going to be a mess. My husband will be like, what was this? I'm going to be, on my calendar. I did on you. I don't want to see the other stuff and it's not opening. Oh. It's a sparkling pomegranate face mask. What you don't know about me is I love all things. This is really upsetting me, guys. I'd be so sad if this was something I was doing for Christmas, like as something special for me, and this was how it was. I would be really sad. But I love all things pomegranate, so that's something you don't know about me, but I love pomegranates. I love pomegranates. I love like pomegranate drinks. I love pomegranate everything. Pomegranate lotions, body washes, everything. So day number 10, which was like, oh, it's another lip. I love lip glosses. This is Dreamy Marshmallow. Oh, you you guys. This might be for one of you guys, I think. A dreamy marshmallow, or my boys might steal it. Who knows? Okay, so this is our mess of our Advent. Wouldn't you be upset if you were opening them like as something fun for the 12 days of Christmas? And this is what it was. I would. Thank gosh I only paid $3.50 for it. I'd be even mad if this was happening and I paid $5 for it because I'm cheap. So day number 11, which is more like I'd say 11 minutes, but this is taking forever for us to get out, so it's not. Ooh, a hair mask. Okay, this is definitely for you guys because as we know, this little jar is going to do this long mane. No, okay, it's not even on camera. Here we go. Long mane, no good. So, this is a coconut vanilla face mask, or skin face hair. It is a hair mask, and this is for you guys. That's for y'all. I also have some other things for you, and this is day number 12. This is our last day of our $3.50 deals, and it's a Neroli and lavender hair mask. Neroli, is that, am I saying that right? I don't know if I'm saying that right. But, so these are for you guys as well. These are going to be for y'all. Hold on, because hold on. I got something for you guys. So, I have been trying out the, this is my color. This is wrong. But hold on, I got the wrong color. Anyways, I'm back. Okay, so I've been using the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear. I heard it was a dupe for Shape Tape, so I got it. Well, I bought one, and I didn't even open it because, well, no, I did open it. I pulled it out. I was like, this is way too light for me. I didn't even put it on. Don't worry, I didn't wear it or anything. Too light for me. I opened it. It's white. It's white. But I'm not going to open it again because it's the color 360 Cashmere. I want to give this to one of you guys because it's brand new, never used, and this is something that's for someone specific. I don't know your guys' skin tone, so I want one of you who could use this Infallible Full Wear L'Oreal Paris concealer. It's a dupe for Shape Tape. It truly is because I've been using it. In the color Cashmere, it's very light. To let me know if you want this. If you can use this, only if you can use this. Don't let me know if you can't use it. If you can't use this, don't even comment, please, because this is for somebody who can use it. So if you are very fair-skinned, let me know, and I will mail this off to you. And if I'm mailing this off to you and you get it, it's going to be whoever comments first, you guys. Whoever comments first and says that they can use it, and I see your picture and I know you can use it. If you look like me and you tell me you can use it, I'm going to be a little upset. And I'm going to ignore you. So, if you can truly use this, you're fair-skinned. Fair-skinned now because I am tan. It looked a different color in the store and I lost the receipt, so I couldn't exchange it, but I picked up pecan for myself. But let me know and I will pop it in the mail to you. So, I love you guys. I'm so happy we just did my $3.50 ghetto Advent. But that's okay that it was ghetto because there was a lot of fun stuff in it and I had fun. So, I love you guys and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe button and the notification button so you can be let in on all these deals. And the next video, maybe not the next one, but the one coming up after that, I am going to be giving other stuff away for darker skinned people. People who are darker skinned than me because I picked up a few other things because they're free. And I can't wear them, but I know one of you guys can. So you want to hit that notification button because this is where I told you guys I'm going to be picking people to give stuff to. And that's why I want to interact with you because I have stuff to give people. So, but it's stuff specific. So, again, if you are very fair skinned, I mean, probably not it's not the lightest shade. I think it's like the top 5 lightest shades though. Maybe even top 4 of the concealer. So if you use